Hey guys, it's Mrs. Dixon here. It's Friday. We made it. The first week is almost done. All right, here we go. We're going to be measuring today with centimeters. But you know what? It's Friday. Let's take a quick detour and have some fun instead. I'm going to give you two options of assignments. Your first option is to get a picture of yourself playing a math game with a family member. If your family can't play with you because they're busy, ask your cat or your chicken. Upload your picture to Edsby or send me a message through Bloom so I can see what you've been doing with your family and your animals. Your second option is to create your own measurement song for inches, feet, and yards. Ask your family to film you singing it and send it to me on Edsby or Blooms. You have the whole weekend to finish this assignment because I want to make sure you spend lots of time on it and do something really creative and fun. But, we have to remember our iReady minutes. So take some time today to check out how many minutes you've done in your reading and math. Remember, we have to have 60 minutes for reading and 45 minutes for math. And the most important thing I want you to do today, give your parents a huge hug. They're doing their regular job in a totally irregular way. And they're teaching you on top of that. That's a lot. Make sure you notice their hard work and tell them how much you appreciate them. And from me, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and remember to please stay safe. Cannot wait till Monday to talk to you guys again. Bye.